There we go.
Hey, sorry about yeah, I'm not good on camera, so.
No, you're good. You're just fine. And I got to say thank you very much for doing it. I very much appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You yourself have been involved with concrete for a long time, right?
So I'm originally from Mexico, and that's where I got involved with ACI. And through one of the seminars in Mexico, I met some people, came to the US after I graduated. I'm a civil engineer from Mexico. In 2000, I went to ready-mix producer as the technical manager, and ever since I've been working in the ready-mix concrete. Right about 2000, that's when I started getting really involved with ACI locally, and eventually became local president. Actually, I just finished my second term as president this past December. We got one project, one very large project going with also commercial Texas Instruments, and it's been very successful. It's a high-profile, fast-track project where a lot of the concrete that is being placed, it's one-day post-tension. I mean, because they go pretty fast. They hit strength and they're on to the next. I did help them to choose the mix, calibrate the mix, and go through the process of developing curves. And then I helped them going through the implementation of the first few pours. And once they figure out that it was very easy to do it on their own, I'm just watching from outside. Yeah, so they started using the maturity and all these high early mixes. And so the opportunity for them to monitor remotely and finding out exactly when they're hit in strength has been very beneficial. Sometimes it's less than 24 hours, sometimes it's a little bit more, but it's been pretty accurate. The system has been right on target with cylinders when they pull random cylinders to do the high early.
So you're actually using sensors in the cylinders to understand the difference between strength of the mass concrete and the cylinder?
Well, we did initially, and then after that, it's just the cylinders match very closely the strength. So they're, right now they have very high level of confidence in the sensors.
You did the maturity curve as well on this project using the sensors. How was that experience for you?
It was. I mean, it was a good experience. We had the lab of record. We brought a ready mix truck with the actual mix to the lab, and we proceeded to pull a lot of cylinders to have a good curve. We started breaking cylinders around 17, 18 hours, and then we went, before 24 hours, a little bit after 24 hours, and then we moved to, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, 28 days. Absolutely. I mean, it's very easy to use. And then one of the beauties compared to other systems out there is that you don't have to go to the structure to figure out what your reading is. You don't have to get close. I mean, you do it remotely. I've done it from home, and I check what they're doing and making sure they're getting strength. So that is pretty convenient that, that everybody knows what the strength is without having to walk to the structure. So these sensors are reusable. The actual reader doesn't go into the concrete, so it's reusable. So it's very, very competitive compared to other systems that seem to do something similar, not quite at the same level.
That's awesome, Victor. I really appreciate you doing this, and thank you so much for making some time. I know it's really late.
All right, thank you.
Okay, see you, buddy.
Bye.
Take care.